Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You go inside and face the wall you want gone. This is where the change happens. Once positioned, open your inventory and locate the wallpaper item. You need one copy in hand to interact with wall decorations. Press it to select it, then choose the option to use or preview. This begins the wallpaper interaction. Make sure autosave is allowed, because you will commit changes when you apply the replacement. Once applied, the old wallpaper is removed. Now you perform the core removal. Select the wallpaper in inventory, then pick Use and apply to wall. If you want an empty look, choose a plain or default wallpaper as the replacement. This effectively removes the previous pattern. Move along each wall and repeat, because walls in each room update independently. Make sure you're facing the correct wall before confirming, since confirmation saves the new surface. Once done, check the room from different angles to ensure consistent coverage and aesthetic. To finish, walk the room and confirm each wall is updated. This ensures no missed panels. If a wall refuses to change, try reselecting the wallpaper and apply again. Sometimes the action doesn't register the first time. If problems persist, save and reload the game, then reapply. That often clears temporary glitches. Make sure you keep spare copies of wallpapers if you plan swaps. And remember, replacing with a neutral or default paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.